And we are live. Hey guys, how are you guys doing today?
Hello, I'm good, good. How about you?
Doing awesome. How about you, Pooja?
I'm great. I'm great. I'm so excited to see the winners today.
Yeah, me as well. Yeah, so thanks guys for joining our stream today. We are here today to celebrate the winners of the Flutter Hackathon. But before we actually go into the actual, content, I guess we should do a casual introduction of ourselves. But I'm Tyler. I work as a DevRel at Superbase. And Majid, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Majid and I'm working as head of DevRel at Invertase.
And I'm Pooja Bhaumik, and I'm a DevRel in Flutterflow. So a lot of DevRels here
Amazing.
today.
Yeah. A lot of DevRels, Flutter DevRels coming together.
Yeah.
And I guess where are we coming together from? That's
Oh
an
yeah.
interesting topic, right? Yeah, but
You should go
I'm based in Japan, Asia, obviously, and then, where you
Then
guys
good
based at?
morning.
first. Good morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like early morning, isn't it?
It is 5:01 right now in Japan, Tokyo.
Wow.
Very early morning for me. Kind of surprised that I'm this much awake at this time of the day, but yeah, I feel fine. Let's see if I zone out during this stream.
Oops.
Interesting. So actually, I'm right now based in Oslo and time is, you have to tell me good night because it's like 10 p.m. and preparing to go to bed right now.
Yeah, thanks, Majid,
Yeah.
for joining such late night.
No
And
problem.
yeah,
Yeah. So I'm probably in a good time zone right now because I'm in right now in California, but I'm based out of India, but I'm visiting California. So right now it's 1 p.m. It's the PST time zone. So I luckily I got the best time zone among Tyler and Majid. So yeah, we are from really extreme time zones, and it's great that we got to meet and somehow made this happen for you all.
yeah. I guess it did work out after all. It's amazing that we got together from Asia, Europe, and United States. I think it's my first time doing this. But anyway, yeah, we are here to again celebrate the winners of Flutter Hackathon. But for those who aren't aware of what Flutter Hackathon is, um, we ran this Flutter Hackathon with Superbase Invitates and Flutterflow coming together. And basically, the objective was to create beautiful apps using Flutter and Superbase to some capabilities. And there were 5 categories to win prizes. Um, if I could get it to zoom in, okay, it's not working for some reason, but yeah, there's the best overall project, best Flutterflow project, best Start Edge project, most technically impressive project, and most visually pleasing project. So there are these 5 categories. In each category, there is a winner and a runner-up. So total of 10 projects will be going home with a nice limited edition swag packs. Basically, we for the winner of the best overall project, they will win a nice limited edition light theme Flutter keyboard, and it would the swag pack also includes like T-shirts, stickers, different basically swags to go home with. So yeah, without a further ado, I think it's time to get into the actual announcements. Are we ready?
Yay! Yes,
Okay,
of
let's
course.
do this.
It is always ready.
So, all right. So, for the winner of the
Should we do drum roll?
Yeah,
oh yeah,
we have.
let's do drum roll.
Oh.
Okay, so the winner of the best overall project is this is huge. Sino from Samuel IPO 9301972. That's his Twitter handle. That's his or her Twitter handle. But yeah, Sino's amazing project. Congrats on winning the best overall project. You'll be going home with a limited edition Flutter themed keyboard, as well as a bunch of limited edition swag packs. But yeah, Sino is an app where you can enter a YouTube URL, and it'll summarize that YouTube content and give you a quick, uh, quick read version of that particular video. So it's great for consuming long YouTube content. If you just want to get the summary of it, you can use Sino to do just that.
Nice.
And then, yeah, the runner-up of the best overall project is ta-da, Study Genius. Okay, so Study Genius is created by Salmon. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Salmon Daye. And it's basically a collaboration study app. And I like this one because it's just beautiful. It's really beautifully crafted, and there's a lot of features that goes with it. There's just not there's email and password sign in. There's Google login, and you can watch educational YouTube videos, post content, talk with people. There's just lot going on for the 10-day time frame that was allowed for this Flutter hackathon. So massive congrats! This is amazing.
Fantastic.
Now, moving on to the best Flutterflow project. Are we ready to do the announcement?
Yeah.
Okay,
Awesome.
take it
So
away, Pooja.
yeah, I have to say, like, okay, this one project really like was so fun to play. So the winner of the Flutterflow project is a lot of the memes as you see on the screen. It is by Mohonish HC Twitter handle, and it's so fun game. Like basically, you can play with your friends, and you can react to various situations that is on the screen with memes and gifs, which is like we played it with our colleagues as well in Flutterflow, and we all had so much fun. So yeah, and then you compete to be crowned as the ultimate meme lord. So congratulations, Mohonish Etsy, that this is you are the winner for best Flutterflow project. Um,
Yeah,
and
nice.
yeah, and then we
Yeah, this
have,
one. Yeah,
sorry.
this one was really fun to play
Was it?
with, wasn't it? Yeah, I know. It's amazing what you can do with Flutterflow. I was really
I
blown
know.
away. Yeah, and then going to the runner-up. I guess drum roll, please. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
And we
Okay.
have Calamity by Hucha Mike's Twitter handle, I guess. So yeah, so it's a nice app that it matches creative minds with each other. There are like similar interest projects that you can work on, kind of a thing. And they did a lot of there were like a lot of screens on it, and that was done in Flutterflow probably in less amount of time, but it was a nice app for working with each other on similar interest based projects. So Collabority by Hitcha Mikes, I'm guessing you are the runner up for the best Flutterflow project, so
Yay.
congratulations.
Some of these apps are really amazing, aren't they, in terms of like number of features they have within the, given short time frame that they have. It's really incredible.
Yeah, totally. Very impressed. We are happy that you chose Flutterflow to build these. So thank you, but congratulations.
Yeah. And Majid, before going into Best Dart Edge project, I guess should we give a brief introduction of what Dart Edge is for
Oh
those
yeah,
who might
absolutely.
not be aware of what Dart Edge is? Yeah.
Absolutely. In fact, I wanted to talk about it because a lot of people maybe still are not aware of like what is this Dart Edge, like what it does. In fact, the aim or the goal of the project is to bring Dart into the Edge functions, like for example, Supapes functions or Cloudflare functions, or all of these as serverless approaches functions, which gives you like um, a trusted environment that you can run, well, of course, Dart. So then you can also write Dart and just run it over there with Dart Edge. That actually is the aim of the project. But still in beta. I'm actually very surprised that we got a submission for Dart Edge, like two good submissions, or at least two of
Yeah.
them are very good. That's my point. And so the fact that it's pretty new to the community, the project is still new. Well, of course, super-based edge functions is amazing. So together it makes it perfect choice for sure. So, well, yes, that's also the documentation you're showing right now, Taylor. So Dart Edge, you can just head over to our repository, also to the documentation page, so you can read more about it. If you, we also have a Discord channel just particularly for Dart Edge. So in Invertase, so if you go to invertase.link/discord, you probably find our Discord on this documentation as well. In fact, it's just there on the top of the page, left.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Um, you can join the community of Dart Edge enthusiasts and just ask your question as well if there is any. But let's go to the winners. In fact, two
Yeah.
great projects. I really
Thank you
like
for the
them.
brief introduction. But okay, the winner of the Dart Edge project is
Drum roll.
ta-da!
Yes. Yeah, well, pronunciation of the names, I'm actually the worst person to pronounce anyone's name. So I hope that maybe Taylor you can help me. I think it's just
Mhm.
a Twitter handler of
Yeah,
TMK.
TMHK, TNHT.
Yeah, so
Yeah, Twitter
congratulations. So
handles are
definitely,
tricky.
yes. A great project. So the code that they've written with Dart Edge for the Edge function was pretty nice, and we've been pretty impressed by what they've done with this project.
I feel like we
Um,
didn't mention the name yet. The name of the project is Chat Globe.
yes,
Yeah.
Chat Globe.
Yeah.
Um, so the actually it's just as it says, it's just a project that you can chat with anyone around, so with your own language. So nice project.
Yeah,
We
this
had
is really nice.
an
And you know
Go
what?
ahead, Taylor.
In the comments, we may have, is this him?
Yeah.
TMHK,
Maybe
TNHT,
You
TMHK. I think it
have to
is him.
figure it out.
probably it just makes. Well, if
Oh,
it's
it is.
you,
The
then
Twitter handle
congratulations.
is the name. This is the name in the
Massive congrats. You know, I went to the Twitter and it matches his name on Twitter, so I'm just gonna guess it's him.
Yep.
Well, then
Massive
congratulations.
congrats. Yeah, this project is amazing. I really love the use case of this particular app. So it's so amazing that you get to choose your own language. So the way it works is um there's this language settings at the top right corner, right? And you can set
Yep.
it to whatever language you're familiar with. And what that does is it basically translates the chat timeline to the language that you set. So when you submit a new chat, it just translates to a bunch of languages, and that allows the users to just select their own language that they're comfortable with. So yeah, I really like this project.
Yes.
Amazing use case of Dart Edge. And the runner-up for the Dart
Drum
Edge
roll.
project is drumroll.
Yay.
Maybe this is getting too cheesy.
This
Okay.
project actually was very interesting. I really like the graphics, the way that it was created. Of course, considering the time frame of the hackathon, so it was nice. And Adventures Kingdom, I think it was the name of the project. You
Yep.
helped me, Taylor, and it
Adventure
was done
Kingdom.
by I think couple of people. It wasn't one,
Yeah.
two, three people, I guess.
3 people.
And we can try to pronounce the names, but I mean
Yeah.
the handlers on Twitter.
uh,
But I mean, the best is
it's
probably you will publish some kind of blog or something, right? So then
right.
people will.
Great point. Yeah, there is a published blog article announcing all the hackathon winners on the Superbase blog. So if you head to superbase.com and go to blog, you'll actually be able to see all the winning projects and all the winning people's Twitter handles, and you can actually click and go to their actual Twitter content if you wanna ask them with questions like how did you come up with this amazing idea, or how did you come up with this amazing app, or that sort of stuff. But yeah, the blog is right there. Yeah, so yeah, this project was a team project, a team of 3 people, and they created some amazing um, app. Basically, it's like a mock theme park
Yeah.
app, and I think this one utilizes Flutterflow as well. So it's Flutterflow, truly like Flutterflow, Dart Edge, and Superbase all
Yes.
coming together to create this one
That's
little piece. So yeah, really amazing.
Very good one. So two winners of Dart Edge category, and congratulations, both of you. One of them actually is here. So again, hi.
Yeah,
Join our
nice.
Discord and let's have a chat as well about what you've done with Dart Edge. We are really excited to also hear about the feedbacks of both hackathon. I guess Taylor, you're
Hmm.
interested, and also the Dart Edge, at least for me. But thank you very
That's for
much.
sure. Yeah, thank you very much. And then moving on to the most technically impressive category. Okay, so we're gonna see some really sophisticated apps here, but the winner of the most technically impressive category is the accident detection. Yeah, so the name is kind of self-explanatory, but basically what it is it utilizes a bunch of sensors that's available on your phone, and it can detect when an accident happens using AI technology. So sensors like accelerator, gyro sensors, that sort of stuff. And it kind of detects what's going on in the background, and you can set a emergency contact. And whenever an AI detects a accident, it'll just ping the emergency contact. Um, I think Apple Watch has some similar feature, and there was a
Yeah.
news about like Apple Watch calling 911 whenever the person goes on a roller coaster or something. But a similar idea, and it's really impressive that the person was able to just create this app within the time frame of hackathon. Again, like I'm always blown away with these amazing apps, especially considering that they were built within just 10 days. So yeah, this is really amazing, and massive congrats to let's see, let's Janet. Maybe
Guneet
I should,
Singh.
yeah,
It's Guneet
Guni
Singh.
Gunitsi. Thanks for helping out. And the runner-up for the most technically impressive project is IntelliTask. So this is another AI powered app, but I thought this had a huge potential, and that's why I really liked it. What it is, it's a to do list basically, right? And as you enter the actual task, the AI kind of processes it in the background and gives you whether this is high priority, low priority, and then in what time frame should it be done. So I think it has huge potential in terms of you know uh, humans doing less to achieve the same results, and uh, that's why I voted for this particular one. But yeah, this is really amazing, and it's created by Noga Dev. Noga Dev. So, congrats. You'll be going home with the limited edition swag. And then, wow, time flies by, huh? Going to our last category, the most visually pleasing. So, I guess we'll be seeing some beautiful contents.
Yay.
And the winner of the most
Nice.
visually pleasing is
Um,
Cafeyo. I hope that's how it's pronounced, but yeah, it's basically a app for coffee lovers. Again, this is one of those apps that has loads and loads of features, which is really amazing. You can watch videos of how to, brew a coffee, or it has a timers specifically for, you know, I'm actually not a huge coffee person, so I don't really know a lot of what do you guys wait for? I don't know. I really do not drink coffee at all, but whatever the time is used for, whatever you guys wait for,
Brewing.
coffee person. But yeah, overall, just a really, really beautiful app with a beautiful logo, even.
Mm.
And I think we see beautiful graphics all over the place. So yeah, congrats for winning the most visually pleasing project. And the runner-up of the most visually pleasing goes to Decision Tales. So this is a really, really cute project, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so um, as as the time of the submissions, there were three stories that you could kind of follow. And as you choose a story, it gives you two choices of what to do. Basically, you kind of see that on the right, where there's a story, and then at the end, what are you gonna do about it? And you choose. Um, you do one. You do one of these for like 10 times or so, and then at the end, something happens basically, and depending on your choice, the outcome changes. Here you can maybe see it says 288 possible endings. So, you can kind of create your own story, is I think is the idea of this app. And I thought it's really cute, and the graphics here are really beautiful, and I really like the overall theme of the app. So yeah, congrats on winning the runner app for the most visually pleasing project. Yeah, so those were all the projects that won the hackathons. Again,
Yay.
yeah, this is the blog article going over each of the winners, and at the end you can see again the Sino project will be going home with this limited edition Flutter themed keyboard, and also everybody else will be going home with this limited edition T-shirt with whatever category they won on the back, as well as a few other goods. So limited edition swag pack with our logo on the front. So hopefully you'll like this, and hopefully we get to meet you someday, and you can show us off your limited edition T-shirt. Yeah, so that'll be really exciting one day if you could do that. But yeah, I guess that is all the winners. And again, massive congrats to everybody who participated, and then everybody who won a prize. But at the end, it's not about the price, right? It's about the
Yeah.
you know
Yes.
honor, or
Building.
Awesome.
fact that you.
So exciting, and I also need to congrats everyone who won something today. And so I hope that you will like your swag kit that you will receive from Taylor and the special edition. So the funny thing is that I don't have the special ones yet. Hopefully Taylor also will.
Neither do I.
I
So
actually don't have one either.
it's
Yeah,
really a
I wonder
special
if I
for
can.
you, like literally.
Yeah, it's really special. Like we don't even get to. I don't think I'm gonna send these two people the limited edition swags. I don't think I'm gonna get one either. So
Oh, yeah. Yeah, very
really,
special
really,
snacks.
Very, very
yeah,
nice. So, well,
yeah.
we had,
Massive
I
congrats.
guess, a few people watching us right now, and those who are watching later, I believe you're gonna have a fun time reading and also watching the winners. And I think what I want to encourage at the end of this show, Taylor, is like, please, whoever is watching us later, just go ahead and take a look at the examples or these samples or like the winners codes and see what they've done, how they've done. So I think it's valuable to learn, to be honest. And I guess it will also inspire for your next project or maybe next hackathon where we're gonna run sometime.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
It's a hint, yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
but that's a great point. If you go to this article, you'll see that a lot of these articles are actually a lot of these winning projects are linked to the GitHub repo of their project, so you can actually take a look at their source code. So that, yeah, that's a really great point, Majid. Yeah, sorry, Pooja, you were gonna say something as well.
yeah, I'm just pretty glad to see all the projects in like joining Superbase, Invertase, Flutterflow, and yeah, I think I don't know if I mentioned this, but then the winners of the Flutterflow project do get like 3 months of Pro Plan free.
Yeah,
So, which means that you can experiment more for the next 3 months with all the full features that Flutterflow provides you with and make even more exciting projects. 3 months is a lot to actually do amazing stuff with it. So for sure, anyway, hackathon or not, I hope I'm gonna see amazing projects from the audience anyway. So yeah, looking forward to that.
nice, nice, nice. And maybe do you want to give an overview of what exactly is included in the pro project of Flutterflow for
Yeah,
those that are not so
it's
familiar with? Yeah,
basically everything that we can
nice.
provide today in a way. So like with the free trial, you probably cannot like download your or add it to a GitHub project, or you can only have one API kind of thing in a free project kind of a thing. But with Pro Plan, whatever is available today, which is like Firebase, Superbase, the all the features that we have in Flutterflow today, which you can go and check it out, is available in Pro Plan. There's like we are so the thing is that we actually release features every week kind of a thing. So sometimes even I also don't know what's like the list
Right.
of features that I can tell, like, so anything that you can do with Flutter is possible in Flutterflow as well. Let me just get that clear as well, that is, even if there is something that's not available in Flutterflow natively, we do allow you to add your Dart and Flutter code inside the platform. So you can always have custom code in the platform if some kind of a feature is not available today, because we are growing every day kind of a thing. So yeah, there's and of course at the end of the day you do get your Flutter project, which is the Flutter code that you're familiar with. So yeah, so go and experiment and you'll know what all you can do. Get to the documentation, get to the YouTube channel, and if you want
Nice.
to chat, I'm on Twitter. So yeah, pretty excited to
Yeah,
see.
you know where to find her. Yeah. So yeah, thanks again. It was amazing, all of us three coming together, a super bass, Flutterflow, and Invitace, and I think at the end it worked out really nicely with the time zone. I was gonna bit
Yeah,
concerned about it, whether I'm gonna be able to wake up at 5 a.m. Yeah, I set 3 alarms, but yeah, it
You know
was
what's
really
funny,
fun.
Taylor? Actually,
Yeah.
right now, two of us will go straight away to bed again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We will totally. Two of us, except Pooja.
yeah, yeah. That's so funny.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
But
sounds
yeah, thanks for hanging out. For anybody who came to join us, definitely go check out Superbase, Invertase, and Flutterflow. There's some amazing things always going on. So yeah, do check us out, and we'll I guess see you maybe in another Flutter hackathon. We'll see. Yeah,
Possible.
yes. See ya.
fingers crossed.
So, yeah.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.